Hey everybody, welcome to my Instagram page. Recently I made this, as you can see, this arm came off. So I made like this robot type of thing. And it has like a whole bunch of like joints covered in tape, so it won't rip off.
What is the skeleton made of?
It's just cardboard.
All cardboard?
Yeah, it's all cardboard.
Cool. How long did it take you to make it?
A few hours.
A few hours, 2-3 hours?
Yeah, 3 hours.
Okay, cool. So what's the tape part?
The tape part is the joints.
Yeah.
That help make the skeleton.
Cool.
Hey everybody, I have this cardboard figure that I made. So it's the same exact thing that I have here. It's the same exact thing, except I put on the arms a little differently. I just put it on the side of the body for the torso, and I put these things to finish it off. And the gun was really easy to make, so I got 2 sheets of cardboard and glued them together, and then I drawed out the shape of the gun, and I cut it so it can be stable as 2 sheets of cardboard. It's already 2 sheets of cardboard.
Show us.
And then I put extra like decorations on it, like you can see here.
Let me hold it close up so we can see.
Yeah.
Cool. What's up with the feet? How'd you make those?
I put 2 sheets of cardboard, and then I like glue them on each side of the leg. I normally just use hot glue. And then I just like glue them like really tightly together so they can stay together really long. And plus I use cardboard because it sticks together. And as you can see, if I like try to like rip the cardboard off the tape or something, there's no stay on.